Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are doing our fourth round of March Madness. This is going to be for days 15 through 18. 15 through 18. I have $40 plus 25, so a total of 65. Honestly, the 25 extra dollars, I have no idea why, but my cash stuffing for the week, I had extra fives, and I know it's not the bank's fault. I think it's just my fault because I didn't bring my plan with me. Like, I left it at work, and so I was just kind of guessing, and I ended up putting, I think, less money in each envelope than I had planned for. So I'm just gonna add that money to my March savings because clearly I don't need it in my high priority stuff. Or at least I decided that when I was doing my cash stuffing. So before we get started, I did just want to showcase these challenges that I've made. These are new in my Etsy shop. We have Fueled by Ramen, Don't Touch My Ramen. And these are holographic scratch off stickers. There's Hello Spring, Save 35. I think all of these are Save 35. This chameleon one I adapt, but I don't have to like it, which is so, describes my life perfectly. Live today like you're getting fried tomorrow. I just thought that was funny. And then hang in there, it gets worse, which is also hilarious. So these are available in my Etsy shop right now. You guys can get them for a discount, 25% off. I'll post the link or the code for that down below. And I also am going to be making a couple more challenges for this month. So go check it out if you like any of those, and I will send those out to you. Okay, so let's get started. So we have a total of $65 here. I have a stack of ones, and then I have buyback fives, and I have some tea because I don't know if it's like the allergies, but my throat has been scratchy for a couple days. I hope I'm not getting sick. I think it might just be allergies, even though I never had allergies before moving to Georgia. It was never something that I struggled with. But I do think that since being here I've been here for about 8 years, almost 9 years maybe. Maybe that now, all of a sudden, I struggle with seasonal allergies, or maybe just because I'm getting old. I don't know. But either way, I have some tea here. It is chai tea. It is filled to the brim because I kind of went overboard with the milk, but and it's still really hot. But chai tea with some milk in it, so good. Do you guys enjoy tea? And if so, what kind of tea do you prefer? I like the black tea. I like Earl Grey. Earl Grey is probably my favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, and 2. Okay, so I still have 3 buyback fives, but let's keep rolling with these ones. 4, 6, 1. 1 is getting a lot today. 1, oh my goodness. 6. So I hope you guys are having a good week. I am so excited that it's March. It has been so fun to do this March Madness challenges, and I did schedule like about $10 a day. I had budgeted, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm also just throwing everything I have at it. So it'll be kind of a surprise when I count at the end of the month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll be kind of a surprise what I have saved. So I'm excited to see what we ended up saving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's keep rolling. I have 1 more 5 left here. What's this? 6. Okay, I think I have 5 here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, perfect. Okay, so just a few more rolls. So if you guys are doing March Madness and you're saving some money, what are you planning on using that money for? I am trying to decide what to do with this money that I'm saving. I think I might use it for a trip to see my sister. My sister lives in France. And so this would be a great start of that expense. Probably won't cover everything, but if I went to see her, it would be not till June, so I would have a few more months to save up. So I think with this money that I'm saving, it would be totally doable. I would have to get Aria a passport, and I already have a passport, but just make sure all of our ducks and chickens are in a row. Okay, so we're adding 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 to this challenge. This one is by Party Planner Papery. So we have 5 and 7. All right, so we have 6 left over. So we finished this challenge and we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, so I'm just gonna condense that. And there's another challenge finished for March Madness. Yay. Oh, let me write, actually, today is the 11th when I'm filming this. Okay. All right, so like anything that I get extra this month from Etsy, from my side hustles, from Ko-fi, unless it's specifically designated for something, like if someone says something, sends something and they're like, this is specifically for this purpose, then unless it's like that, I'm gonna add it to our March savings for March Madness. All right, so this one is by me. You can find this in my Ko-fi shop still. It's a set of 3 and we are adding $6 to this. I think I'm gonna make each one of these coins $4. So let's do a coin, 4, and then 5, 6. Okay, so that one is a new one that we started this week. Another new one that we started this week is this one by Angela Marie, 888. It's technically a roll and save, but we're just going to decide how much to save for each box. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, and 16. Whew. So, oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do... Let's do $4 per box. So we have is that right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes. Okay, so 4 times 4. So we need $4 more to finish that one. We'll see what we end up putting these extra $6 towards. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll see which challenge needs it the most. Okay, this one is by Becca at Narrow Spicy Budgeting. And this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. And we only needed 2 to finish it. So we have a lot of extra in this one. Okay, so total for this one we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And this was finished on 3/11. So we are making amazing progress in this, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see what we save at the end of the month. It's at least going to be over $300. I know that for sure because I have $300 budgeted, $10 a day. But because of the extra stuff that I'm throwing at it, who knows? Who knows? Hopefully like 500. That would be great. Okay, this one is by Cash Stuffing and Coffee. Each circle is $2. We are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This did not really get a ton, did it? 2, 4, 6. And last time it didn't get a ton either. So we have $12 in here now. So maybe we'll add more to that one. Okay, and then last we have this one by Bookish Mama Budgets. In this one, we are adding 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so we have 6 left over here. And this one is done. We saved 20, I believe. Yep, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 20. So let me see if I have a 20 that I can grab. Yep, I do. Awesome. Okay, so this is our third challenge that we are done with. Let me mark $3, $11, and $20. Okay, so there's that one. I'll put this back in our envelope here. Okay, so we have a lot left. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have $20 whole dollars. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's finish this one for sure because I know we can finish it with $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is this one completed with $20. And that's great because I needed some ones for next time. So we got some ones back, making change with that. All right, so that's 4 challenges completed. Let's see, this one needs 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We can definitely do that. I just need to make some change. All right, so 10, 11, 12. Okay, let me mark this off first. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. $24. Do I have another 20 in here? I don't know if I do, guys. That might be the last 20 that I had. Crazy. But you know what? I do have 10s, so let's grab 10s. One, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 10, 20, 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. I just need 24. I don't know. Okay. Let's just put these back in here, I guess. Is that right? I'm confused. I might have messed up, but that's okay. All right, so anyways, we have $24 saved with this one. And let me mark it real quick. I'm not sure what I did with that money, guys, back there, but if you know, let me know. All right, and that is challenge number 5 completed. And then we have $4 that we can add to this one. And so let's do 3 and 1. There we go. And then this one will continue next time. But we completed 5 challenges, which is amazing. And we will continue this next time. So if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.